Question number 5. Find whether the following equations have real roots. If real roots exist, find them. First subdivision, second subdivision, மூணு subdivision, மூணு question கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த quadratic equationக்கு real roots இருக்கா அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும், சொல்லணும். Real rootனா discriminant வந்து greater than 0 இருக்கணும். Discriminant greater than 0 இருந்தா இதுக்கு real roots இருக்கு. அப்போ real roots இருந்தா we have to find the roots. First subdivision 8x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. First A, B, 2, C minus 3. Comparing the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. அப்புறம் d கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். d equal to b square minus 4ac. d வந்து b square வந்து 4a 8 c வந்து minus 3. So d equal to 4 minus into minus plus 4 8s are 32, 32 into 3 96 is equal to 100. அப்போ d வந்து greater than 0 வந்துருச்சு. Therefore the above equation has real roots. இப்போ ரூட்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. அந்த d தான் b square minus 4ac. minus b வந்து 2 minus 2 plus or minus root 100 by 2 into 8 60 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 10 by 60. அப்போ x is equal to minus 2 minus 10 by 60 or x is equal to minus 2 plus 10 by 60. அப்போ x is equal to minus 12 by 16, x is equal to 8 by 16. அப்போ இது வந்து 1 by 2, இது வந்து 3 by 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 by 4, x is equal to 1 by 2 are roots. Second subdivision minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 க்கு கம்பேர் பண்ணா a வந்து coefficient of x square minus 2, b வந்து coefficient of x 3, c வந்து constant of 2. where d கண்டுபிடி d equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b square 9 minus 4 into minus 2 into 2 is equal to 9 plus minus to minus plus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16 equal to 25. 25 greater than 0. Therefore the above equation has real roots. d greater than 0 நாவே ஒரு quadratic equationக்கு real roots. இப்போ x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d by 2a is equal to minus b வந்து minus 3 plus or minus root 25 by 2 into minus 2 is equal to x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 5 by minus 4. x is equal to minus 3 plus 5 by minus 4. x is equal to minus 3 minus 5 by minus 4. Therefore x is equal to 2 by minus 4. அப்போ minus 1 by 2. x is equal to minus 8 by minus 4 plus 2 plus. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 2, x is equal to 2 are roots. Third subdivision, 5x square minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Comparing the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A வந்து coefficient of x square 5, b வந்து coefficient of x minus 2, c வந்து constant term minus 10. D equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2 the whole square 4 minus 4 into 5 into minus 10 is equal to 4 minus into minus plus 4 into 5 20, 20 into 10 200 is equal to 204. 204 is positive greater than 0. Therefore, the above equation has real roots. So, real roots we have to find. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. Minus b na minus of minus 2 plus 2 square root of root d is 204 by 2a, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. இப்போ 204 பிரிக்க முடியுமா பார்த்துக்கோன்னா 204 divided by 2 102 divided by 2 51 3 ஆகுதுன்னா 17. அப்போ இது இப்போ என்ன பண்ண முடியாது. அப்போ 204 x is equal to minus b minus 2 x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 51. இந்த ரெண்டு 2க்கு ஒரு 2 வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம். இந்த 204 2 into 2 into 51 இப்படி எழுதிட்டா 2 root 51 ன்னு எழுதலாம். இப்போ 2 root 51 by 10 is equal to x is equal to 2 plus 2 root 51 by 10. X is equal to 2 minus 2 root 51 by 10. So there are two common எடுத்தா 2 by 10 into 1 plus root 5. X is equal to 2 by 10 into 1 minus root 5. 1 minus root 51. Root 51. Therefore, this is cut panna 5, this is cut panna 5, 2 table. Appo x is equal to 1 plus root 51 by 5. X is equal to 1 minus root 51 by 5 are roots. Question number 4. 1 by 2x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 5 equal to 1. X not equal to 3 by 2 not equal to 5. 5 போட்டால் இது infinity ஆயிரும். இது 3 by 2 போட்டாலும் infinity ஆயிரும். அதனால இது 0 ஆகி infinity ஆயிரும். அதனால x வந்து 3 by 2ம் கிடையாது 5ம் கிடையாது. அப்போ முதல் LCM எடுக்கணும். LCM எடுத்தா 2x minus 3 into x minus 5 is the LCM. இப்போ LCM divided by 2x minus 3 1. 1 into x minus 5 x minus 5 plus LCM divided by x minus 5 2x minus 3. 1 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 2x minus 3 equal to 1. அப்போ 2x plus 2x 3x minus 8 divided by இதை மல்டிப்ளை 2x into x 2x square 2x into minus 5 minus 10x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15 equal to 1. இப்போ 3x minus 8 divided by 2x square minus 13x plus 15 equal to 1. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணா 2x square minus 13x plus 15 equal to 3x minus 8. இப்போ 3x minus 8 left hand side கொண்டு வந்தா 2x square minus 13x minus 3x plus 15 plus 8 equal to 0. இப்போ 2x square minus 16x plus 23 equal to 0. இப்போ it is a standard quadratic equation. Compare பண்ணா a equal to 2, b equal to minus 16, c equal to 23. இப்போ d கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். d equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b square. b square na minus 16 the whole square 256 minus 4 a வந்து 2 c வந்து 23 is equal to 256 minus 4 into 2 8 8 3s are 24 2 8 2s are 16 184 4 2s are 8 8 3s are 24 balance 2 4 8 2s are 16 184. அப்போ d equal to 2 is 72. 72 is greater than 0. Therefore, the above equation has real roots. But d equal minus b plus or minus root d by 2a is equal to minus b. b is minus 16. Minus or minus 16 plus 16 plus or minus root 72 by a 2 into 2 4 is equal to 16 plus or minus root 72 where 4 into 72 2 36 6 6 upper 6 into 6 into 6 into 2 upper 6 root 2 6 root 2 by 4 x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 16 plus 6 root 2 by 4 x is equal to 16 minus 6 root 2 by 4 x is equal to இதில் 2 காமன் எடுத்தா 8 plus 3 root 2 by 4 x is equal to இதில் 2 காமன் எடுத்தா 8 minus 3 root 2 by 4 அப்போ x is equal to 8 plus 3 root 2 by 2 இதை கட் பண்ண 2 and x is equal to 8 minus 3 root 2 by 2 are roots. Fifth subdivision, x square plus 5 root 5x minus 70 equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to 5 root 5, c equal to minus 70, d equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is 5 root 5 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 70 is equal to 5 root 5 5 square பண்ணா 25 root 5 square பண்ணா 5 அப்போ 25 into 5 125 plus minus into minus plus இது 280 280 now 405 greater than 0. Therefore, the above equation has real roots. இப்போ x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a minus b minus 5 root 5 square root of 405 by 2 இப்போ 405 பிரிச்சா 5 table 81 9 அப்போ this is 9 root 5 9 root 5 அப்போ x is equal to minus 5 root 5 plus or minus 9 root 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5 root 5 plus 9 root 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5 root 5 minus 9 root 5 by 2 therefore x is equal to இது வந்து 4 root 5 by 4 sorry 4 root 5 by 2 x is equal to இது minus 14 root 5 by 2 அப்போ 2 கட் பண்ணா இங்க 2 இங்க 2 கட் பண்ணா 7 அப்போ x is equal to 2 root 5 x is equal to minus 7 root 5 are roots.